Don't scroll if you want to learn how to leverage AI in the workplace. So currently we are at the cusp of rapid technological advancement. And what is leading that is AI, and in this case, the large language models. So large language models like the ChatGPT that we are all familiar with, but other versions like the Sonnet and the Cloud AI. So it comes with excitement and also with anxiety. Excitement in that it helps very much in the automation of our work. The anxiety is that we humans are afraid that it's going to lead us to obsolescence, that we are going to not be needed again in our workplace. So how are we going to leverage AI in order not to be irrelevant? So there are two things you need to pay attention to. So listen, there are two strategies in the leveraging of artificial intelligence. So the first one is for the individual and the second is for the organization. So for the individual, you want to have artificial intelligence to be the augmentation of your intellect. So find out in your areas of work where there's a need for, there's a repetitive task and there are boring and monotonous elements in your work, so that you can leverage artificial intelligence in the working of that, so that you can have freedom in your higher level thinking and your creativity. So you also need to work on that human element, which is your creativity, your intelligence, your empathy, and your ability to negotiate and rapport. These are the human sides and they are foundational. AI has not reached that point, so go deeper into this area. So the second one should be for the organizations, the leveraging of artificial intelligence in the workplace. So for the employees, there should be an upskilling of the employees, such that in their areas of work, they should know how to integrate artificial intelligence to help them to do their work. If there is a need for automation, for the boring tasks, AI comes with that part. So the other area for human elements in their workplace, there should be a deepening of their expertise. So there's a higher level thinking and creativity in their expertise. So these are the two strategies in the application of artificial intelligence, in this case LLMs, to leverage it so that we should not be obsolete. So there are common pitfalls in the utility of artificial intelligence, one of which is the over-reliance and the scaling of the individual. So there's a danger of having too much reliance on artificial intelligence that we begin to lose our ability to even think, such that we throw all our problems to the AI. So the key solution to this is to have a balance in the use of AI. Give AI what it's supposed to work on, the monotonous and the boring parts of it, so that you can also have time to be able to think. Then there is the other danger of bias and hallucination. Based on the data sets that are being used in the training of the AI, there may be an over-skewing of that data sets, such that, for example, for a racial bias, maybe there is a lot of data for the white more than for the black person. The AI will reflect the data that is being used to train. So it is your duty to make use of the product of that AI to be able to review it and to be able to engineer it to be able to suit your needs, your personalized needs. So it's a case of having a balanced overview of the data set that is being fed to the AI. To learn more about this, we have an article on our website. The link is in our bio. Thank you.